doubt, no? Yeah. See, I have got an article that is describing the demonstrative adjective and the demonstrative pronoun.
Screen stuck, ma'am.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am. Now it is visible.
Yeah. So this is the blog. Can you see the blog? Yeah, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we will talk about this. Okay. So there are two things. One is demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective. Please see the first line. A demonstrative adjective describes a noun, while a demonstrative pronoun replaces a noun. Right. So whenever it comes to hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
So a demonstrative adjective describes a noun, while a demonstrative pronoun replaces a noun. So this is the blog. This, so just we will read out this. Okay. This, those, that, these, demonstrative pronoun and adjectives. So we will now see what is the difference between them. This, those, that, and these are all used to describe or replace an object in an English. So what is an adjective, normal adjective? Can anybody tell me?
Sorry, ma'am. Could you repeat your question again?
What is an adjective? What is an adjective?
Adjectives are words which describe noun.
Yeah. So the same thing is you see in here. This, those, that, and these. All are used to describe, right? So instead of telling the names of a person, name of a place, name of a thing, name of an animal, we can use this, those, that, right? For example, a dog is a good animal. So it eats this every day, right? So these are the good people. These are very good people. So this is a very good sports team. So instead of using the noun, instead of using the name of the person again and again, we can use pronouns. Pronouns in the sense we can use these words, right? Correct? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So why is this useful? It is a placeholder, so you can communicate without repeating the same word over. It also makes, instead of using the name again and again, we can use this.
Ma'am, even this, those, that point outs the particular object, right, ma'am? Like object or the place or that. Ma'am.
Or what was that called? That, these, those are all demonstrative pronouns. So these are all called as demonstrative pronoun. In last class also we have seen some of the words. So these are demonstrative pronoun, like that I said you some of the sentences we saw. So these are coming under demonstrative pronoun. A pronoun in English is a word that replaces a noun. So we know, everybody know, right? So pronoun is something that is going to replace the noun, like using she to replace women's name. So demonstrative comes from the word to demonstrate. What do you mean by demonstrative? Normally the meaning of demonstrative is showing something very clearly, right? To show, instead of telling show that, we will say demonstrate the experiment. So what do you mean by demonstrating? Like telling it very clearly. Instead of just telling it for a normal thing, tell them with all the steps, tell them very clearly. It's demonstrative pronoun, right? So It is wait a minute. Yeah, which means to
Excuse me,
show
ma'am.
clearly. Yeah.
Ma'am, like before I was asking it out, I guess you explained, but I didn't hear that, ma'am.
Yeah. Just I was telling the word demonstrative meaning of the word demonstrative. Now we will come. So
No,
see
ma'am.
the original sentence. See the example original sentence. How
I
much is the shirt?
I was asking the doubt, ma'am.
Yeah.
I
You
was
you can ask. Yeah.
that this, that, and those point out the, like, it indicates the object or a particular thing, right, ma'am?
Yes. Yes. Correct.
Like that, I was asking that, but your voice was breaking. We didn't
No,
hear.
that is what I am telling. Like a group of people. No, for example, there is a team, cricket team called maybe some cricket team. Okay, so instead of telling that this team named, for example, CSK played very well. CSK bowler played very well. CSK batsman played very well. He played very well. Instead of that, we can use pronouns, right? This team played very well. This team has this team, this team. When I use the word
Yes,
instead of noun, that is pronoun. So that is making me, that is giving me an easy way to use the use in sentence instead of telling the name again and again. So there is no much difference between demonstrative pronoun and normal pronoun. Both are same. Even in demonstrative pronoun, this, that, these all comes, right?
yes, ma'am.
See the example sentence, original sentence. How much is the shirt that I am holding? How much is the shirt? In the original sentence, how much is the shirt? The shirt is going to be the matter of the sentence, hero of the sentence, right? The whole sentence is talking about the shirt only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
With
Exactly.
demonstrative pronoun, see the second sentence, how much is this? Instead of using the shirt, I'm using this, right? This I will be
Yes,
showing the shirt and I'll be telling this. I don't want to say again and again the shirt, the shirt, the shirt in the upcoming lines. I will just say this, right?
like instead of lagging the sentence.
Yeah, instead of using the word again and again, the noun, the hero of the sentence again and again, we can replace them with this, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes. Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then now coming to this, there is no much very much difference between the normal pronoun and the demonstrative pronoun. But when it comes to sentences, so in your examination last class you guys asked me like, ma'am, how to find the difference. So this is how you will find the original sentence and the demonstrative pronoun. Can you see the difference?
Yes,
How much is the shirt? How much is this? So basically I don't know how they will ask questions in your exams, but when they ask you to find the demonstrative pronoun in the sentence, it will be basically that demonstrative pronoun word will be in substitute for your noun or object in this sentence. This is a substitute for the word shirt. Am I right? Yes,
yes,
am I
ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody getting? This
Yes,
is the substitute for the word the shirt. Yes, the shirt is here the noun of the sentence. Correct.
Yes,
Now got
yes,
it how to find the demonstrative pronoun in any sentence?
yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
So now can we shall we go to the demonstrative adjective? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
See, see very clearly there is no much difference between adjectives and pronoun. In pronoun, this, that, these, those are demonstrative pronoun. In adjectives also, this, that, these, those are adjectives, right? An adjective is a descriptive word that goes with a noun. So adjective basically is going to describe the noun. That girl is looking beautiful. The girl is looking beautiful. The in the word, the girl is looking beautiful. The girl is noun, and the girl how she is looking beautiful. So we are describing how the noun is, right? When we describe how the verb is, that is adverb. When we describe how the noun is, that is adjective. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
So an
ma'am.
adjective is a descriptive word that goes with a noun. So using this, that, these, and that, those as demonstrative adjective helps to distinguish between multiple objects or ideas. In this case, you keep the noun but add this, that, these for clarity. For example, see here, demonstrative pronoun versus demonstrative adjective. These things will be very clear now. A demonstrative adjective describes a noun. Adjective always describes a noun, right? So girl is looking beautiful. How the girl is looking? She's looking beautiful. So beautiful is the adjective here, right? So always the adjective will describe the noun. Demonstrative pronoun means it replaces the noun. Instead of the girl name, for example, the girl name is Priya. Priya is looking beautiful. She is looking beautiful, right? She is a pronoun, right?
But the thing is, without the lacking, like the demonstrative, without lacking the sentences, we are making it in a short form, like in a
Correct.
short.
Correct. For example, see this example word. These grapes are, 1 second. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See the example sentence. These grapes are good, but I won't eat those. In this sentence, they are describing two kinds of grapes, right? These grapes are good means in the first part of the sentence, they are talking about the good grapes. But second part of the sentence, you see, but I won't eat those. Those are what? Bad grapes, right?
Yes,
Read the sentence again. These grapes are good, but I won't eat those. Means what? In the the first part of the sentence, they are telling I will eat these grapes because they are good. But in the second part of the sentence, I won't eat those. Means they are referring some other kind of grapes that are not good, right?
Or even it would be like for looking at the grapes are good, but
Yeah.
she or he won't like to eat the
Yes.
grapes.
Correct. Yeah. I won't eat those. Right. In the first sentence, these grapes, these are the pronoun. These
Pronoun.
are the pronouns. But in the second sentence, I won't eat those. They are demonstrative pronoun, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If a grape, if we will normally say the grapes, these are grapes. But here they are telling the grapes are good. The grapes is the noun of the sentence, but they are telling the grapes are good. They are telling the grapes are good means good is the adjective, right? Instead
Yes,
of
ma'am.
just telling normally the grapes, but I'm telling the grapes are good. They are very good. So I'm telling not only they are just not grapes, they are good grapes. They're not just grapes, but they're good grapes. So I'm telling they're very good. So instead of telling the girl is, she's a girl, I'm telling she's a beautiful girl. So she's not just a girl, she's a beautiful girl, right? So here, good is an adjective, right?
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Understanding? And I won't eat those. So those are now pronouns. Those are now pronoun. They are in the sentence, they are not mentioning those are bad grapes or good grapes. The second part of the sentence, listen it very carefully. They are not mentioning that those are bad grapes or good grapes, right? But we can understand from the sentence that somebody won't eat those grapes because they are bad, right? Second sentence, those is representing the noun, right?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, children. These things I will reteach for you in the next class clearly, or I will record a video and send in the group explaining. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now it is time up. Now it's time up. I will reteach in the next class.
9, 10, the ending time is right.
Yeah, yeah. The thing is like I'm teaching in the mobile, and I could not write anything.
Fine.
I hope I don't know how many are understanding or not. Yes, children, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll record a video and I'll send you. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.